Is Amazon FBA dead? Hey guys, it's Dave from Monetary Ocean, and today I'm going to talk to you about a common question, which is Amazon FBA dead? First, I want you guys to look at this stock ticker real quick. This is for Amazon. So this is the current cost, and this is 5 years ago. So you tell me what that looks like to you. To me, that looks like a company that's doing extremely well. Obviously, they're going to take a little correction here and there. Their price has gone up exponentially. I've got huge faith in Amazon that they're going to do crazy things that are going to be world dominating, and not necessarily in a bad way. They've got their hands in almost everything that could relate to your daily life as of now, and it's just always increasing. So there are some concerns with people joining FBA and the saturation that is currently going on. But there's one thing that you must do, which is differentiate from others. If you do this, you'll have no worries at all, and you'll be selling units on units steady. If you want to just copy paste everyone else, you might have a little bit more of a difficult time if you don't do it right. But if you're able to differentiate and maybe do something that a whole lot of people aren't doing yet, or they're not doing at all, then you've put yourself in a different category of seller where you're on the fast track to 6, 7, maybe 8 figures worth of profit. So there's this old Japanese proverbs, and it says, the best time to plant a tree was 25 years ago. The second best time to plant it is today. So what I mean by that is stop waiting and start selling. Go ahead, sign up for your Amazon FBA account, go out there and find some products and put it up and sell them. Like I say, don't wait, dive into that monetary ocean. So go ahead and check out my social feeds, guys. I've been keeping content coming steady, so go ahead and check those out. On YouTube, at the beginning of the new year, I've got a huge new series coming out, and it's going to benefit a lot of people. So go ahead and subscribe, like these videos if you like them, and I will see you guys on the next one.